loves, and welcome back. It's about time I unbox my first camera. Let's say camera. Is it a gadget? Is it an accessory? It's a camera accessory. Guys, I've been literally mounting things on top of one another so I could literally record. And I'm so excited that I have an unboxing for you guys for my purchase that I got this week from Camera Stuff. So I made a sale. I paid for it online on Monday and it was dropped off at my house Wednesday morning before 12 o'clock. The customer experience was amazing, to say the least. I absolutely loved everything about my purchase. The communication also with the guys, because there's an extra piece, like an extra attachment that I want to buy, and just the WhatsApp interface, them just answering immediately, just advising me, sending me things, alternative things. It has been amazing. So this camera shop is in Randburg for those who want to go there physically. Okay, for me it was nice because I don't have to go there physically. I prefer to go shop physically, especially if I'm paying for things that are really expensive, because I do find like 1,600 and something, that's a lot of money for you to just pay and not having, you know, seen the product. So it came with bubble wrap. Okay, there's bubble wrap packaging over here, and just like the stickers, the shop stickers, and my address, and it was done by Korean guy. Like I said, everything was done beautifully. So I'm just gonna grab my scissor and then we're gonna cut open, and when I'm done opening everything, I'm gonna come back. So I literally just cut a few of the sticker straps on the side so I could expose that bubble wrap. I love the fact that they put in quite a bit of bubble wrap just to protect like your package, guys. You don't want to get something and it's damaged, all right? So just want to open up just enough so I can get like the box out, because it's okay, they have secured it anyway. Just do this. I gotta do some more work. I think this will be easier. There we go. So I bought myself the brand Neewer. I think that's how you correctly pronounce it. If I'm doing it wrong, please just correct me in the comment section. Apologies. This is the Neewer, and it just says there's 77-inch 2-center axis tripod. That's what the actual box says. And then I have like my tax invoice on the side here, and it says over here, description wise, it's the Neewer 178 centimeter 77-inch 2-in-1 camera tripod and monopod with panoramic ball head. Okay, I'm not a photographer, I'm not a videographer, so I'm not too sure on the specs, but I need to understand definitely. I know what a tripod is, but the monopod sounds like one mono. I'm not sure. I've just seen pictures where they literally close it up and it's just like one piece without the 3 legs. So I don't know. And the panoramic ball head, I think it's the round head. Okay, I basically think that's what they are describing. And it included my delivery fee. All of it. This tripod stand is $1,639.99. I did get it on special. I think there was a discount of 18%. Please then run along to Camera Stuff and order it. I'm gonna drop my link for the store so that you guys can use it to buy. They have absolutely everything that you need. Camera solutions wise, however, I did not buy my camera from them, but I'm just letting you know that I got my tripod stand from them, and the shopping experience was amazing. It is top tier. So let's just continue. It's got like this nice little plastic I think sticker. It literally just secures the opening so that you can see that this has not been tampered with. So I like to make sure that my orders have not been tampered with, guys, and that I'm actually getting something that is new. If they say that this is a brand new thing, I want to saint it. Okay, make sure that it has not been used like for real, okay? And also I think it's good that they do this so that you know it's something that was delivered. You got the actual true essence of the product. Okay, these new nails trying to give me trouble. I like the box. The box is really protective. Okay, I've just opened it up over there, and now we're just gonna pull this out. Weight wise, I like the weight. it's not too heavy, but it's got some weight to it. So it comes again in this protective plastic bag. Absolutely love that. I'm a customer who checks protective goods. Make sure by the time it gets to the client, it's fully protected, no scratches, no dents, no marks, no liquid stains and stuff like that. So it even has another sticker over here that we're just gonna remove like so, and then to just expose the bag, right? And for some odd reason, I like to keep the boxes. Guys, I'm that girl. Okay, and it comes with these, what do you call these things? I think these salts. I think this is just to keep your order smelling good. I don't know, guys. Angas. Yes, angas. I'm just gonna put that in there. Look at the bag. Okay, the bag is a nice small compact bag, but the stand is heavy in a sense. Not heavy unbearable, it's heavy in a sense. I love the quality. I feel like this stand is going to be able to, you know, take on my camera weight, because I was very afraid of ordering a cheap tripod stand, because I was like, I don't want to put my camera on something that's not going to be able to hold the weight of my camera. Or if there's like slight wind, it's going to take my camera down, because I once saw a review like that and I was like, oh my gosh. So this is not a big bag. I can literally carry this, okay, over my arm, or I can just hold it. It's that secure, and it's going to make it easy for me when I'm going to events, because you know your girl has been invited to a second YouTube event, okay, an exclusive event only by invitation. So definitely something I think about also when I'm gonna be like traveling. Am I able to take this? Is it easy to just like pack along, you know, and take with me? So absolutely love the bag. The material is very nice, okay. It feels durable, feels very durable. And then obviously if you don't like it, then you'd get a replacer. But I love the size. I love the size. It might look too big there, but it's not that big. So it's got a zip running down the center, and like I said, the brand is Neewer. So I'm just opening up the bag, right? The zip is also nicely placed. It's not on the side, it's in the middle. Then when we open up the bag, there's a phone attachment over here. I didn't expect to get a phone attachment. This is very, very, very nice. As you guys can see, here's the phone attachment, right? I'm gonna put that on the side, and there's like a screw. I think the screw is for my phone attachment, right? As you guys can see. And then there's some more of these things. I forgot what you call these. And then the actual tripod stand. It's got a key, what do you call this? I think this is the manual, instruction manual, yes. And it's also another protective plastic. What? Look at this. What is this cover? This dust bag. They put a dust bag over the actual ball head so that when you get it, honey, it's as good as new. Absolutely, absolutely love it. I think this is what they mean by monopod. Like it, I don't know. You guys have a moment right now to laugh at me because I don't know anything. Look how compact this thing is. This is beautiful. I love this black dust bag. Oh, this is how you open it. Alrighty, we're gonna remove the black dust bag, and as you remove the black dust bag, there is more bubble wrap around this ball head, okay? So I'm assuming this is like child. Alrighty, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna have to maybe remove this so that I can actually screw my camera onto this, because I'm assuming, I assume a lot, I'm not sure. Oh, I can literally screw this and then hold my phone in there and stuff like that. We're going to be experimenting quite a bit. And I love the fact that they gave me the red that I was looking for. On some other pictures, the red looks like an off red, like a shiny off red. I was like, aesthetics wise, that does not look nice. Look at this red. That red looks stunning. Okay, it's my kind of vibe. And also you see the red at the cranks. Okay, the red at the cranks. So it's almost like a liquid fluid thing. Okay, this does drop. I'm not sure if these are supposed to recline all the way back. Okay, they click in when you do that. Okay, let's eyeball. Guys, look at me. Okay, I want to put everything back because, child, I'm not trying to. There we go. You press and you hold and you bring everything back to the center. Alrighty, so the ball head has like it's got like markings, it's got some screws, and I think, Okay, this is also like movable, right? And here's the pad, the actual pad where I'm going to be mounting like my camera and stuff. And I forgot what you call this chiffon. No, it's not a chiffon, but it's like it's a protective. I forgot what you call this material. This is very, very nice color wise, and it's got a hook over here. Okay, this is a review from a person who has a zero experience of using a camera, and this is me just attempting to do a review. I don't know the proper things, but it's got like knobs over here, and I'm assuming this is just to secure my tripod stand whenever I place it, because I'm going to be using this inside, I'm going to be using it outside, I'm going to be taking it every damn way. Alright, every damn way. I think it's going to do me a lot of justice to read the manual, and then the manual's in the bag, and also to just keep like the key. Right, I like to have like bags where I keep like the key. So I think after this video we're gonna go through the manual, so I need to read this. I need to know what I'm like using, and there's the manual. Okay, and I'm gonna have to read it from start to finish. Okay, and what language is this? Okay, comment assembly. Okay, we got the English. I think we got, did we have the English side? I will. Alrighty, so everything over here in the manual, everything has names, like the parts diagram of what you call everything. So when I come back, I'm gonna know what everything is. Okay, there is there we go, a protective covering. They just call it a protective covering. There's a hook, there's a leg tube, locking levers. So these things are locking levers. I'll be able to lock it in so that it doesn't move, and I love the weight. I was very, very conscious about buying something that could actually support my camera weight. I don't want like my camera to, I don't want to drop my camera, or if there's a bit of wind my camera's on the floor, because I'm gonna die. I go like I nearly just did right now. Okay, and then there's a quick release plate, locking knob. As I said, the ball head that we spoke about. This is the center axis. What? Center axis locking knob, so I can lock with this. What else is there? Center axis locking knob, angle adjustment. So over here, this is where I can angle my stuff, and I think this is like, I saw there was 180, 360. I think it's how much you can tilt your camera and stuff, so I'm still going to do some research on that. But guys, this is the Neewer camera tripod stand, coming in very, very, very strong at 1,639 rand and 99 cents, and I got it at a discount. Right, so use my code. I will send you guys my code. The service is amazing. The service is amazing, and I'm so happy because I was very concerned about like the color. I'm just gonna put this dust bag back on. Do I need to put in the protective, like the protective stuff, guys? Do I? And how do I lock this? Let me just lock it. Do I need to put this protective stuff back on? You guys are the viewers. Okay. No, but I will be putting the dust bag on, because this is a beautiful dust bag. Even the quality of this, I'm going to be using this dust bag for myself and other things. This is very nice. Maybe I should just leave it here, okay, when I have to pack up and stuff. Yeah, no, I'm going to leave this dust bag on this machine, on my tripod stand, to like control. The quality is really good. Absolutely love this dust bag. Okay, so I'm going to put this here, put it onto the side, because we're going to be using it. Let me just move my MacBook. The bag, everything, I absolutely highly recommend it. Protective packaging. Carry bag is a 10 out of 10. It's small, it's compact. The actual tripod stand is 100/10. That's how amazing it is, and it will be easy for me to just assemble, you know, take everywhere, because that's like my concern, that when I go to events, you don't want to be asking people all the time, right? So nice. So it's a nice camera stand to keep on the go. And I think, is it aluminium? I need to check what material this is, because this is amazing. This is amazing, and it's an all black. Also, keeping it clean is going to be very, very easy for me. Absolutely, absolutely loving this new camera accessory, my first camera accessory, guys. And then now we're just gonna move on to the other things. There's an attachment that I need where I can put my camera and my phone on. I forgot the name, but I've been looking for it, but they don't have it at the camera stuff right now. They have ordered some stock, but they say it's gonna take a while. right, which I don't mind, I will be fighting the good fight. So this is our first accessory. I couldn't be more thankful. Thank you for all the support, guys. Thank you for all the love, and let's keep fighting. This has been a beautiful Saturday of me doing my unboxing. If you have not yet liked, please subscribe. Check my description for my link, guys. Use that link to go buy your products. I'm also going to drop it somewhere on the screen. Okay, go there, go to the store. And also, if you guys want like other referrals and stuff, if this is a little bit too expensive for you guys, I'll definitely do a video on that. But other than that, thank you for watching this unboxing with me. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your love. It's time to make beautiful moments with my Sony ZV-E10 along with my Neewer tripod stand. I cannot wait, and I cannot wait to collect all, you know, the recording kit stuff. You know how we are as non-photographers, videographers, but content creators who just want to have a beautiful little studio. See you guys in my next video.